everyone, in this video I'll be talking about stone painting. In this video I'll be teaching you how to paint the stones and decorate your house with them. I'll be teaching 3 to 4 different types of painting that you can do on it. Some creative ideas that you can apply and simply pass your time in this weekend. So without further delay, let's get started. But before that, please make sure you subscribe to my channel, follow me over Instagram. Now let's get started.
Let's start by painting the body with light green color. I mixed the normal green color with the white color to get a light green color. After that, with the help of a thin pointed brush, start making the lines with the help of the dark green color on the body of the caterpillar. Once you're done with the body, with the help of a toothpick's back, dip it in black color and make the eyes and the smiley face on the caterpillar. If you want, you can make tentacles also for the caterpillar. And this is how the caterpillar looks. I hope you like it. Now you can make some other colors caterpillar also if you wish to. Now let's make the bugs. Now you can see I have colored the bodies of the bugs. I have used red color and red and white mixed in a proper ratio to get that pink color. Don't mix too much white. With the red color you can mix 80% of white to get that pink color. Now I am coloring the head of the bug in black color. Don't mix water in any of this, so that you can get the right color. Now even out the neck portion of the bug so that it won't look bad. I'm using a thin tip paintbrush. Now once you're done with that, with the help of an unsharpened new pencil, make big yellow dots on the pink one and big white dots on the red one. Now after that we will be filling it with the black color. Once you are done with drawing the body, make the eyes also on the with the help of the same pencil on the head portion. Make 2 dots so that we can make the eyes on it. Now with the help of a sharpened pencil but a blunt one, I am filling up the white and the yellow portions to give a better look. And once that is done, with the help of the back of my thin brush, I am drawing some small white dots again near the big white dots, and then I will be filling it up with black again, but this time not with the blunt tip but with the help of the back of the toothpick. And before that I am drawing some white reflections in the eyes of the bug. After done with this, now fill the small white dots and the yellow dots on the body. And when you are done with that, now make small black dots with the help of the edge of the toothpick so that it will look much more beautiful. While drawing the eyes, I have also given a hint of blue half moon touch to the eye so that it will look much more beautiful. Now once you're done with that, Draw the white dots on the neck of the bug to give it a much more popping look with the help of a toothpick edge. Now the cactus, it's the most easiest one you can go for. Now I have taken a bigger stone and a smaller stone for this, and I have covered the entire body with the green color. Now once you're done doing the body part of this, draw the eyes of the cactus and a mouth for the cactus, and once you're okay with that, start drawing yellow dots and white dots on the body of the cactus, and voila, you are done. Nothing else. You can draw different kinds of patterns on the cactus to make it look much more beautiful. I'll be showing you the end result so that you can understand what I want to say. So the cactus is done. You can simply use this cactus to design or simply decorate your house as I shown, and this is the close-up look if you wanna see. So this is also easy. First, color the entire stone into black color. After that, make an inverted U on the bottom of the penguin stone and then color it with white. You may need to coat it 2 times to give it a better look. Once you're done with that, draw the eyes of the penguin. With the help of the back of my thin painting brush, I am making the white colors and I'm not adding water to it. And make sure you don't make the eyes too big or too small, just the right size. You can also use the back of your Q-tip or maybe any thing that is of this size as I am making it. Once you are done with that, make small dots in the white circle so that it will give the look of the eyeball. And I was done with that, so I am making the legs of the penguin. You can make either inverted triangles or just 2 lines or maybe squares or anything of your choice. I am making the red ones as I will be making him wear a red scarf and a cap. Once you are done with the socks of the penguin, start making the scarf for the penguin. Between the eyes and the belly of the penguin, start drawing the scarf's outlines. You can take any choice, any color of your choice, but I am taking this one, the red one, because it will pop and look good. Once you are done drawing the scarf, make the cap. First make a small inverted circle kind of outline and then fill it with color. And if you want to make it look like a Christmas cap. Then make a small triangle just pointing outwards like I have done. Once you are done with that, with the help of a toothpick or maybe an alpin, draw the outlines with the help of a white color mark and then start doing the white dots on the scarf. Once you are done with white color, you can also add some yellow color to it so that it will look much more beautiful. Now to make the mouth of the penguin, just make a triangle below the scarf and mark a white or yellow line of your choice above the scarf to show that the beak is started over there. You can use white or yellow or anything of your choice, but prefer yellow color because that looks more realistic. %, of the work is done. The only work is left is with the help of the toothpick you need to make a hand like that, the way I have made for the blue penguin. I forgot to show it, so I just showed it like this.
Right, thank you for watching this video. If you are doing any of this painting, do make sure you post it over Facebook or Instagram and tag me over there so that I can see how creatively you have done that painting. And that's it. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so that you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. I'll bring the next video very soon. Till then,